Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We are diving into one important topic today, how to perform an in-place upgrade for Windows Server in Azure. In this video, we will be upgrading one of our virtual machine from Windows Server 2016 to 2022. So let's start by discussing prereq and preparation steps first. We will create one managed disk using Windows Server 2022 image, which will help us with the upgrade process. Obviously, we will need to have one Windows Server 2016 VM for this upgrade process. So before getting started, it's very important to take a backup of your virtual machine. Having backup or creating snapshot is always good practice to ensure that you have a restore point in case something goes wrong. So I'm not going to take a backup. I'm not going to perform any snapshot in this video. But in your scenario, you can take backup before performing in-place upgrade. Let's proceed with the upgrade process. First, we already have one RG. So once you click on RG, here you will see that we have a Azure VM called Azure Test VM, and we are going to use this VM as a upgrade. If you can see, we have a VM with a Windows Server 2016 data center, and we are planning to upgrade in place upgrade this virtual machine to the Windows Server 2022. To perform in place upgrade, first we need to create a one managed disk with the image. So here I am going to click on disk. So under this, let's click on create. We are going to use same RG where we have a virtual machine. I'll keep the name called like media disk. I'll put the upgrade 2022. You can put any name. There is no. I don't need a zone, so I'll keep no infrastructure. This is the source type. If you see here, the type of Azure resource to use as a source for the creation of this new disk. So if you can see, we have a multiple source type. Snapshot we can use, we can create this with the snapshot. We can select storage blob as well. We can select same as a disk, then disk restore point, and then public image. So here we are going to use public image option. So once you click on public image, you will get a multiple options here. So if you want to create an image with the 2019 or 2016, that also you can use. So in this video, we are going to use Windows Server 2022 upgrade. So just select the Windows Server 2022 upgrade, click on next. We are going to set default setting. Click next, review and create. Now validation is done. Now click on create. Your image managed disk will be ready, and to start the in place upgrade, you need to attach this image disk to the VM. Yeah, here we go. So right now we have a created image disk with 2022. So let's start the in place upgrade process. So let me click on virtual machine. Click on virtual machine. So to start the in place upgrade, we need to attach that image disk to this VM. So click on disk. Under the disk, we will get option called attach existing disk because we already created that manage disk. So click on attach manage disk. You will get the learn details here. You can change as per your requirement, and then just click here. Here you will get that disk name which we just created right before few minutes. Now select this and click on apply. So once you click on apply, this will get attached to the VM, and then you can log in that VM and then validate whether that disk is attached to the VM or not. So we'll wait for a few minutes and then we'll start. And one more thing, just I want to tell you that we have created that media disk from the portal, but you can create that upgrade media disk from PowerShell as well. So I'll give you that link, Microsoft link into the video, so you can refer that one as well. So now we have successfully attached manage this to the VM. So let me log into the VM quickly and then we'll start the upgrade process, in place upgrade process. Let me quickly copy this VM IP. Here we go. Click on connect. Put your username and your password. Yep. You can create media disk from the PowerShell script as well. Similar way you can perform in place upgrade with the PowerShell script as well. So I'll show you that PowerShell script as well during this video. So now we have successfully logged in this VM. Before performing in place upgrade, we will quickly create one folder on a C drive. I will create one test file to validate. I just want to ensure that we are not going to lose any data. So I'll keep here called app folder. We'll create one txt called app, and under this txt I'll put some data. This is the test file. Save. Yeah. So let me quickly open PowerShell here. So I'll show you those PowerShell script which we can run to perform the in-place upgrade. And there is another way as well which can help you to perform the in-place upgrade as well. So my bad. Let me put PowerShell. Yeah, we'll open ISE. Yeah, here we go. Now we have open PowerShell. So here I will show you that PowerShell script which you can also use, but in this video I'm not going to execute this script. We are going to perform this upgrade in a like manual step. So I'll show you that. Just click on this PC. So once you click here, you will see that you already have a upgrade F drive. So this is the drive where we have a image. So once you double click on this F drive, you will see we have a image called Windows Server 2022. Just double click on this. Now see, you have a ISO file setup here, all the setup. So simple, that PowerShell script is also going to perform the same action which we are doing manually. So just double click on this setup file. So once you click on setup file, it will prepare. Yeah, it will take few minutes and then it will start the in place upgrade process. Yeah, here we go. Now setup will go online to get update drivers and optional features. If you want those update, then you can select you can install that updates and then you can perform the in place upgrade, or else if you don't need, then you can skip those upgrade as well. Yeah, let me I'll go with the update. So let me click on next. So now it will it's checking for the updates now. Yeah, the updates are installed, but Windows Server setup needs to restart. So just click here. Now it's checking your PC. Here we go. So here in that image we have a standard, we have a data center as well. Here it is mentioned that this OS managed with the command prompt. So command prompt, it is managed by command prompt. It means it has server core OS. Same way, if you click on desktop experience, here it is saying that it is a full Windows graphical environment. This will give you that GUI interface. So I am going to select Windows Server 2022 Data Center Desktop Experience. To perform the in-place upgrade, just click on Next. Once you click on Next, it will ask for Accept License. Click on Accept. Now it is asking choose what to keep. If you want to keep your file setting an app as it is during this upgrade, you can select this option. If you don't need, then you can select the nothing. But I want to validate that whether how it's works, so I'm going to keep this option. Click on next. Now it will checking for updates. It will take some time. We'll pause this video for some time and then we'll come back. It is now ready to install. Okay, so if you can see now, update is done. We just need to click on install. So once we click on install, click, it will start installing Windows Server, and your PC will restart several times as per upgrade process. So again it will take some few minutes more, and then our upgrade will get done. Yeah, now that upgrade is done. So if you can see, this server is get restarted. So we'll wait few minutes more, and then we will validate the. Let's wait few minutes more, and then we'll take RDP to validate. Yeah, so here we go. Let's quickly validate. Click on yes. Yep, we are on server now. Let's validate whether we have folder which we have created. So click on drive. This, go to the C drive. Yep, we have all the data and setting as well. And now we have successfully upgraded. So we will quickly validate the server. So let me open. Just right click on this. Go to the properties. Now here you can see that we have successfully upgraded with Windows 2022. Same we are going to see on a portal as well. See, on a portal also it is showing that we have successfully upgraded. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share and subscribe our channel.